Okay, what you doing? What you doing, huh? Let me talk to him a little bit. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hi. Hi. Aren't you cute? Aren't you a cutie? I want him to lean against you now again.
I said don't behave with Daddy.
Huh?
I said don't behave with him.
He's doing fine. What are you laughing at? What she calls me Daddy?
Yeah.
Shut up.
I turned around and said, "Hey, Daddy." He had a little black dog with him.
Oh,
I thought it was this one.
Oh, you thought it was me?
Yeah.
Okay. I see.
I said, "Is that him, Daddy?"
Oh my God. I didn't know that. Come on, little bud. Look at the camera. Got a scab up his eye. He's a mess.
You're a mess. You're a mess. You're a mess, you are.
Like, who? Yeah, she went in south.